This is Criminal Court Clerk Mike Hammond. I'm in the jury box of one of the criminal courtrooms in the City County building. I like to refer to this as the end of the line for justice. I say that because when a crime is committed, law enforcement will arrest someone. The Attorney General compiles the evidence and takes it to the grand jury. If there's an indictment, the state and the defense prepare their cases and present to the petit jury. What we're asking you to do is very important for the accused and the victim, and that is decide guilt or innocence. If the person is not guilty, they go free, but if guilty, they go to jail. Justice cannot be served without your participation. In Knox County, we're lucky to have 3 of the best criminal court judges in the state. I would like to introduce you to Stephen Sword, Hector Sanchez, and Scott Green.
My name is Steve Sword. I'm the Division I Criminal Court Judge for Knox County. Both the United States Constitution and the Tennessee Constitution guarantee to each of us the right to a trial by jury of our peers. The use of juries in criminal matters has existed for over 800 years. It actually predates Magna Carta. Our system is not perfect. However, it is the best system in the history of the world. And the reason for that is because we rely on the citizen juror. The power is placed in your hands. Our system works because of you, and our constitutions function because of you. So thank you so much for your service to our community. During your time as a juror in Knox County, you may be asked to hear cases anywhere from shoplifting up to first-degree murder. Regardless of what the charge is, each case is extremely important. I hope you find your time as a juror to be both interesting and rewarding. Again, thank you for your service to our community, and I look forward to seeing you in court.
Hello, my name is Hector Sanchez and I'm a criminal court judge for Division II here in Knox County. I want to talk to you about the safety precautions that we've taken to ensure your safety as a juror. For one, our building, the City County building, is secure and everyone will go through security before you're allowed to enter. Once you check in with the clerk's office as a juror, you'll be brought into a secure area that is separate and apart from the rest of the general public. You will remain there until it's time for you to be brought into the courtroom. Again, you'll be separated from the general public, and there will be security officers there with the Knox County Sheriff's Office. If you see members of the media covering one of our cases with cameras or with video recorders, don't worry, they have specifically been instructed not to record your faces. Jurors often ask if their trial will be heard on the weekend or if they'll be sequestered. I can tell you this is extremely rare, and if it were to happen in your case, it's something that we would talk about during jury selection and make sure that it wouldn't create any unique issues for you if it did in fact happen. Perhaps the most important thing that you can remember as a potential juror is that you can never discuss the details of the case or the case at all while the case is pending. This includes with your spouse or your immediate family. You can talk about it after the case is concluded, but not until then. Thank you so much for your service to the people of Knox County, and I look forward to seeing you in the courtroom.
Hello, my name is Scott Green. I'm one of your 3 criminal court judges. I'm going to be speaking with you about your eligibility to serve as a juror. If you are 18 years of age and have been a resident of Knox County for at least 12 months, you are eligible to serve. You are not eligible if you have been convicted of a felony offense, that's a crime involving punishment in excess of 1 year, or a crime involving dishonesty. When you arrive at the City County building, you're welcome to bring with you a number of items. In fact, you're encouraged to bring materials with you. You may bring a phone, work, a book, or a magazine, because unfortunately a part of jury service will be the necessity of waiting until matters are concluded in the courtroom and the case is ready to try. Once you go into the courtroom, the voir dire selection will begin. Please welcome that opportunity to interact with the judge and interact with the lawyers who will be questioning you. The court will initially go over the facts of the case, introduce the parties to you, and afterwards the lawyers will have a chance to ask you questions about the case to determine your fitness to serve as a juror. Thank you once again for responding to your summons. The system could not operate without your participation.